Stop what you're doing. Ever seen a crab and wondered how it works? Let's crack the shell on these awesome critters. Crabs are amazing crustaceans with hard shells and pincers. They live in oceans, rivers, and even on land. Their bodies are split into two parts, the cephalothorax and the abdomen. Crabs have stalked eyes that can move independently. Imagine seeing in all directions. They've got two pairs of antennae. The long ones help them find food and friends, while the short ones keep them balanced. Crabs breathe through gills hidden under their hard shell, called the carapace. And those claws? Perfect for catching food and defending themselves. Crabs have 10 legs, with the front ones modified into claws. They even mold their exoskeletons to grow bigger. Pretty cool, right? So, next time you see a crab, you'll know all their secrets. Stay curious, explorers.